Hold on.
This is an Amber Alert. We have just received the following information from the Liberal Police Department regarding a possible child abduction. Law enforcement is looking for a black 2006 Chevy Tahoe with blacked out emblem, taillights, and rim. The tag number is Texas Tag TTJ8135, last seen westbound on Highway 54 in Liberal, Kansas. The suspect believed to be an unknown mid-20s Hispanic male wearing black shirt and pants. The victim is Marciela Luis de la Cruz, a 15-year-old Hispanic female from Guatemala, approximately 5 foot 2 inches, 120 pounds. She was last seen wearing black shirt, blue jeans with pink flip-flops. If you have information on the location of Marciela, please call 911 immediately. Other tips may be shared by calling the Liberal Police Department at 620-626-0150. We repeat, law enforcement is looking for Texas Tag TTJ8135 on a black Chevy Tahoe.